G'day everyone and welcome to another video. Today out fishing a new spot in the river. Yeah, another nice spot, beautiful afternoon. I got two rods out with scrub worms on them, so hopefully can get a fish here. I've got a net, but the bank's fairly steep, so hopefully we can get them in the net if I catch something. But yeah, only time will tell. So I got two rods out with worms on them, and now we just wait. Traps are set, so just got to wait for the fish to get hungry. All right, we'll get back to you soon with the fish. So we've got a fish on here. Now, how are we going to get it in? Oh, it's a nice yellow. Hopefully this log doesn't collapse. Got him. There we go. First fish of the day. Alright, I'll cut him off and throw him back. Bit of a high banky. There he is in there. Alright, so we're going to let him go here. Nice little yellow belly. Doesn't want to go. There he goes, he's gone. Get the rod back in and get another one. Got another bite on this rod here. See if he's still there. I think he's gone. Just leave it in for 5 minutes to see if he comes back. If not, we'll check the bait. We've got another bite on here. Oh, missed him. Still got the worm on. Try again. Just had a good bite on this rod. Little bubbles down there. That might be a turtle. Or it could be a yabby. Beautiful spot here. They seem to be just grabbing the bait and trying to pick the worm off, so I might have to do what I do at the other spot where I leave the bail open. I'll wind this in and I'll put another worm on it and we'll try again. We'll see what happens. Pinch me bait. It's alright. We get another worm on. Get it back out there. Okay, the trick might have worked. It's running with the line. We'll take that off. Hopefully it's swallowed the bait. Oh, we got him. What do we got this time? Hey, he's a filthy old carp. He's only just hooked. Got him. There he is. We go and dispose of him and we'll get the line back in the water. So I got another bite on this rod here. Every bite's been on the same rod. Still running with it. No, pulled it out of its mouth. Didn't leave it long enough. That's all I'm doing, a little bit of worm on there. Flicking it out like that. Leaving the bail open. And just waiting for him to get hold of it. That time I was a bit too impatient, so need to let it run a bit more. Anyway, might have been a silver because they've got very small mouths and sometimes it takes them a bit to get the hook in their mouth. Alrighty, we'll keep trying. Alrighty, fish is back. Well everyone, that's it for today's fishing. It's just a little bit before dark, so yeah, got a few fish, so which wasn't too bad. Another new spot to fish on the Wimmera River. I really got to bring the boat down here. That's one of my plans. So while I've got a bit of time, I might do that shortly. And yeah, so anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you all for your support, and we'll get back to you soon. All right, thanks for watching.